Okay, first the mandatory disclaimer. This is mine. I bought it with my own money. I'm not sponsored, compensated, monetized, or anything else you can think of. And free advice is worth what you pay for it. Now, this is my 12-inch DeWalt electric saw. I've been real happy with it. It's done a lot of work over the last few years. Now, a while back, I busted some teeth off of it. Must have hit a rock or something, but had to get some new blade, a new chain. And I hunted around. There weren't any in town, so I had to order it. Now, one of the things I found out was the DeWalt chain is made for this particular saw. And there was a bunch of other manufacturers out there, different prices and so forth, which I'm not familiar with. But I found this one. I can't even pronounce it. This is Chinese chain. And you got 3 of them in the pack for the cost of one DeWalt chain. So I figured it's got to be pretty bad, but I did a bunch of research on it, and it's actually supposed to be pretty good chain. And I've been using this particular one for, I don't know, since last fall. It's done quite a bit of cutting. It's been working good. So a few weeks ago, I was doing some servicing, changing the oil and cleaning things up, readjust the chain. And I noticed something right here. There's a cutter missing. So I thought I broke it. But then I took a closer look. I didn't break it. There's no cutter there at all. Never was. Let's take a look here. There's the distance between the cutters. It's 1.25 inches. Up here, it's 2 inches. I thought, that's odd. Maybe it was just a fluke or a factory mistake or something. So I took the other ones out of the box. Every one of them's the same way. There's a spot where there's a 2-inch gap. So I started asking around with my buddies of mine and a few online research and everything. And it seems that this is common. If it's a factory-built chain, they're built for this particular blade. But the aftermarket stuff, they're making this thing, maybe 1,000 feet long, and then they're cutting it to size and riveting 2 pieces together. So you got a gap. It doesn't seem to have affected the cutting at all. So I've got no complaint about this saw, this blade, or this chain. It's working good. That gap doesn't seem to have affected anything. I just never seen it before. So if anybody else runs into that, don't go freaking out. and it's been raining for going on 3 weeks, so I'm getting antsy to get out. That's my 5-minute spiel.